Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index pushed back toward a 3-week high at 98.6 after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell dampened hopes for aggressive rate cuts. Powell warned against easing too early, citing persistent inflation risks despite a weaker labour market. His cautious stance cooled dovish bets even as markets still price in 2/4 point cuts by year end. Traders are now turning to upcoming US economic releases as the next major catalyst for dollar direction. WTI crude traded near $65, rising almost 0.6% to its highest in 7 weeks. Prices gained after US inventories fell unexpectedly, while export disruptions in Iraq, Venezuela, and Russia fueled supply concerns. The Energy Information Administration reported declines across crude, gasoline, and distillate stocks. With Iraq's Kurdish pipeline to Turkey still offline, supply tightness continues to underpin prices. However, if official EIA data later confirms rising inventories, that could temper the rally. Gold paused after hitting a new record high of $3,791. The Fed's cautious tone and a firmer dollar capped upside momentum, while ongoing geopolitical tensions and rate cut expectations offered support. Attention now shifts to key US data, with Friday's PCE inflation release in focus. Although the Fed already cut rates by 25 basis points last week, the rebound in the dollar and rising treasury yields are limiting gold's strength. The yen weakened on Thursday as USD divided by JPY surged to a 7-week high near 149.9, gaining almost 0.6% on the day. Stronger than expected US economic data extended the dollar's advance. GDP growth for the second quarter was revised up to an annualized 3.8%, beating both initial estimates and forecasts, driven by robust consumer spending and lower imports. Looking ahead, Friday's US PCE inflation release and Tokyo's September CPI will be critical for policy outlooks in both the US and Japan. The euro fell for a second straight session, slipping nearly 0.6% to 1.165, its lowest since September 11. A series of upbeat US data releases boosted the dollar and pressured the pair. With the core PCE index nudging up to 2.6%, investors are now focused on Friday's August PCE report. That release is expected to have the biggest influence on euro-dollar sentiment and near-term monetary policy expectations.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.